Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gear Up Chale on Quasi Tech Space. And today we are going to unbox the Apple HomePod Mini. It comes in this box here, so you just pull here and bam. So I got a white one, so I love white. Yeah, let's unbox this and have a look at what comes in this little box. What do we get? Where's my unbox knife? Bam, it's right here. Okay, let's cut here open. There you go. Right. Okay. Now it comes in multiple colors. Yeah. So depending on your setup, you can get the color that match your setup. White works for me best for my setup, so that's why I went for the white one. Okay, let's set this aside for now. Have a look what is in here. Okay, so we have, this is just a cardboard to separate the HomePod from the charging brick. But before that, let's have a look if we are going to get a sticker in here. So nope. Okay, so just some quick setup guide. There you go here. And oh yeah, we do, the sticker is here. There you go. There are 20-watt USB type C brick, Apple 30 watts. 20 watts, yeah, USB type C brick. Yeah, and that's all you get in the box. Okay, yes, let's put this on the side. Okay, so here it is, HomePod Mini. Okay, so the top, this is plastic. This is made of plastic. Let's release this. Okay, so the cable is braided. I love the braided cables. I really enjoy using the braided cables. This is a USB-C, obviously, because the power brick is a USB-C. It goes in there. The cable is very long enough to reach any corner that you want to place this in. Not any. Yeah, so Apple logo at the bottom here. Nobody's gonna see this, but hey, Apple put the logo right there at the bottom. Okay, that's all right. Siri, and they support Siri, control Siri from here. On the fabric, okay, cable is not detachable, so you can remove the cable. I'll prefer the cable to be, detachable, so that you can route the cable through, some corners, depending on which, how your setup is. But anyway, this will still work without it being, detachable. But yeah, it's the HomePod and the power brick. I put kind enough to include a 21 power brick in here, so that we don't have to buy it. So yeah, that's what it is. Today is just an unboxing of the HomePod Mini 2. Yeah, the white one. I got a couple of this one here to place around the house, so that I can have AirPlay playing all over the house, music playing all over the house with AirPlay. So that's what you get. The Mini and the power brick. That's what comes in the box. All right, guys, thanks a lot for joining me today on this episode of Gear Up Chale. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. All right, peace out.
This true love, so we throwing confetti. My love so sweet, tastes like ice cream. My true love is the only air you gon' breathe. Some the real deal, ain't nobody like me. Casey Banks, now you know who I am. Casey Banks, now you know I'm the man.
I don't see a man at the party, and I just wanna get close to you. Cause the way that you're moving your body got me catching all these feelings, cause I want you, girl.